Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Seeley MagiQTouch controller and you need to do a reset on it, either resetting just the controller or if you want to do a whole system reset of all of the devices that it's connected to and everything like that back to the factory default settings. We can do both of those things. We're going to want to do this basically for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting if the controller is not working or not connecting to certain elements or anything like that or certain components. A factory reset or a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Also, if you want to set this up someplace new, we can go ahead and do the whole system reset on it, and then it will go through a whole kind of setup wizard, and then we can just set everything up again like new. But all we need to do is we're just going to pull it off the wall. To pull it off the wall, you just hold it. You just hold the controller, you push it up about 1/4 of a third an inch, and then it pulls off the wall. And from there, you're going to use a paper clip right in the middle, about in the back. There's this reset hole, and we are going to just use our paper clip to press that reset hole. We're going to press and hold it for a few seconds until this screen appears on the screen. And from there, we're going to be able to either reset just the controller or reset the whole system. So again, if you're just having issues with the controller, you can try that. If you're having system problems with items not connecting and stuff like that, or if you're setting this up someplace new and you want to start over, you're going to want to hit the reset whole system option and go through the confirmations, and it will reset back to its factory default settings. Thanks a lot for watching.